Howdy do, fella kids. It is the professional Dillweed here, and welcome to Grom Day 2021. Last year was canceled, well, because around this time of last year is whenever the Rona hit hard. And like they shut down the borders to Florida. There was a pre-ride last night, and I decided to take my bike. I think it's called a Huguenot, whatever, this word, where you can ride your motorcycle or a car out on to the beach. And I thought that would be so much fun. So I did. You might be like, oh, well, why are you telling me this story? Well, here's how it shook out. Alright, so here's the predicament I'm in. Alright? So, I was riding my bike up here on the beach, as one does. And, I saw some rocks. I was like, hey, let me climb on some rocks. It'll be fun. But then, climbing on said rocks, I had the keys to the motorcycle in this little pocket here. And then the sea ate my keys. So now I'm just kind of stranded here on the beach. They actually closed this area down about an hour ago. So that's where we stand on things. So I am waiting upon a locksmith to come fabricate me a key. So yeah, that was fun. I had a new key made. The guy was able to make a key without me even having a key. So yeah, that was fun. But I'm pretty excited. It looks like we have a decent turnout. At least I would say so myself. But it would be safe to say I did have an eventful weekend. Nice helmet. We have... What is going on here? Oh, we've got a Grom on air ride. That is hilarious. That is great. I love it. We are rolling out. I'd say we had a good turnout. And yes, I in fact do not have gloves. Yesterday the ocean, in a sense, ate my gloves. I was able to return my gloves from the ocean. However, they were filled with sand, and I did not feel like wearing sandy gloves all day. Hopefully you will see my point as valid, and you won't ridicule me for it. Looks like a photogrammer is taking his thumbnail. I tried taking a thumbnail, but I'm not as important as old photogrammer, so no one really posed for it. Okay, Mr. Ruckus. Holy cow. Wonder how long it's gonna take for somebody to blow their engine, or for something weird to happen. I might be the only one that has like prepped their bike intensely to get it ready for this. Like a new chain, new sprockets, new tires, fresh oil filter. I mean, what else can you do to prep a bike like this for it? So I had to stop to get some water, and we got left behind. Me as well as a few other people. There is a Lamborghini, so I guess that's cool. Did he just give us a thumbs up? I have no clue. Did we set off a car alarm, or is that someone's bike? I ain't got the slightest clue. Oh, hello. Oh, nice. He's gonna pretend like he meant to catch that bag. Holy cow. We'll just go 100 miles an hour in oncoming traffic. So I have no idea if I was recording. Well, because simply just all the noise that's going on around us is too loud to hear the GoPro beeps. There's not even one given point in time that I know I'm recording. But there was a point where a cop blocked off the intersection. It's either he was trying to stop us or trying to stop traffic for us. Either one or the other. Just to stay on the legal side of things, that truck is pink. I am going to say that he was stopping traffic for us. For whatever reason, I just got an overwhelming wave of a caffeine crash. That looks like one of those bikes that you get at like a Harbor Freight. I don't know, whatever it is, I kind of like it. Alright, Mr. Odyssey, someone seems to be in a little bit of a rush. I might look big and strong on the outside, riding with a bunch of motorcycles out in the heat, but on the inside, my booty hurts. See, the one guy that stops or pulls off to the side is the one that's gonna get in trouble. Alright, so if I'm gonna be brutally honest, I am beat. We have done about a total of pretty darn close to 100 miles today, and if anybody's ever ridden 100 miles in a day on a Grom, you know it will suck the life out of you, and that is kind of where I am now. They are actually probably getting ready to either hit up the stunt lot, I think down that way. I'm not entirely sure. I'm not sure how much longer I can bear on. So that being said, that is where I'm going to start wrapping up today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Holy cow. And hopefully you enjoyed this year's edition of Grom Day. This guy's Grom looks like a one of those cups. I don't know how to describe it. It just looks like a cup. And hopefully you know what I'm talking about. But as I was saying, hopefully you enjoyed this edition of Grom Day. And if you were here, well, thank you for coming out. And I'll see you guys next year. Alright, and I will also see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Just relocate to another area of the city, alright?
Sorry?
Just relocate to another area of the city.
Yeah, I was literally just about to head back to my Airbnb.
Alright, thanks, man. Have a good
Y'all have a good one.